When I fish these before, I strip the shit out of my bass and they get hammered.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh my god, that's creepy.
I've been carrying this thing around for 15 years in my bag of tricks.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fucking slam that thing. Bullshit. Dude, it fucking broke off. Fuck. Deep breath. Fuck! That's a fucking joke. Just trying to make a show, Mike. Yeah, that's a fish.
Oh, that's a good one,
That's a
buddy.
fucking nice fish.
That is a.
All right, let's go. 10 on the energy scale.
Come on, pump it
Hey,
up.
oh,
Fuck, baby, fuck.
Chomp, 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 chomp. I lost him. I lost him on the run. Son of a bitch. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh, that makes me sick in my stomach. It was a good spring, too. Dude, there's a hummingbird almost fucking landed on your head. Take two. Fuck. I'm getting cut off right now by these two yin yangs. Get twiddle-dee and twiddle-dum over there. Why does this thing always fucking so tight? What the fuck is that? Fucking missed it. Fuck, I was putting that other rod in. Son of a bitch. Every fucking rod is going off right now. I fucking missed him. I almost got a fucking rod in my hand, for fuck's sakes. Fucking just loaded with these fucking coho or whatever it is. Holy crap, that's a big Calvazon. Oh, hey? Oh, Jesus. They're actually pretty good eating, but that thing's ugly as shit.
Oh. Right?
I feel like I got squirted right in the face. I can't see it, I can feel it running down my cheek. Yeah, dude, that's a fish. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. He's on, oh fuck, it's a big fish, Chad. Okay, that's a big fish. Snag, dude. Fuck, it just came off. Yeah. Fuck. A couple years ago, Mike made this swear reel from like 2 years ago. It had to be 4.5 minutes long.
Just swearing.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Are you fucking kidding me?